case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2011 case, Phegley v. Phegley, John Phegley appealed a bankruptcy court's decision that his debts for monthly maintenance payments and attorney's fees from his divorce could not be discharged under bankruptcy law. The United States Bankruptcy Appellate Panel for the Eighth Circuit had to determine if these debts were considered domestic support obligations, as such debts cannot be erased in bankruptcy. The court found that the payments were indeed meant as support for Sheri Phegley, John's ex-wife, and thus non-dischargeable. John was ordered by a state court to pay $1,250 per month for 48 months to Sheri, as well as $9,178.69 for her attorney's fees. The court's decision was based on factors like Sheri's need for payments to pursue education and her inability to earn sufficient income. Ultimately, the court affirmed the bankruptcy court's decision, stating that maintenance payments and attorney's fees were intended as support for Sheri and to balance the disparities in the parties' education, training, employment history, and earning capacity.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.